The first step in getting your COVID-19 vaccination at North Central Technical College in Wausau is to register for an appointment. This may be done either by visiting vaccinate.wi.gov or by calling 844-684-1064. Help is available in multiple languages at this number. You will be asked a series of questions, and at the end, you will be given your choice of appointment times. If you registered online, a QR code will be emailed to you. Walk-ins are now being accepted. Advanced registration, however, guarantees your choice of day and time. Please note that health insurance is not required and the vaccine is free. When you arrive at the NTC campus, you will see signs directing you to the Center for Business and Industry on the west end of the campus. It is important that you remain in your vehicle until your appointment time. When everyone enters the building at their assigned time, there are not long lines and we can maintain social distancing of patients and staff. When you enter the building, a greeter will welcome you, ask if you are having any COVID-19 symptoms, and take your temperature. If you registered in advance, the greeter will ask for your QR code and direct you to a registration desk. If you do not have your QR code, we can do a lookup using your name, your email, or your phone number. At the registration desk, you will be asked for a photo ID. The registration representative will enter your information onto a form which you will be asked to sign to indicate that you give consent to be vaccinated. You will receive a form that gives information about the Pfizer vaccine, and you will also be given your CDC vaccination card. If you do not have a photo ID, that is fine. You will need to sign an attestation form confirming your identity. Next, you will be directed to the vaccination area where you will be assigned to a vaccinator. The vaccinator will ask to verify your name and date of birth. Then you will be asked a series of health-related questions, including, have you ever fainted from a vaccine? Are you on blood thinners or do you have a blood disorder? Have you tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 14 days? Have you had a reaction to a vaccine in the past? Have you had allergic reactions to anything in the past? Have you received a vaccine in the last 14 days? The vaccination will be given in your upper arm, so it is advised that you wear a short-sleeved shirt. The vaccinator will cleanse the area with an alcohol wipe and then administer the shot. The site of the injection will be covered with a bandage. The vaccinator will then give you a red or a green card and write a time on it. If you indicated that you had certain allergies, you will be given a red card, and the time will be 30 minutes from the time of the shot. If you did not indicate any allergies, you will be given a green card with a time 15 minutes from the time of your shot. Finally, you will be directed to a waiting room where you will be monitored for any adverse reactions. These are extremely rare, but should one occur, medical staff are on hand to provide care. During this time, you will schedule an appointment for your second shot. You will be provided with information on potential side effects, as well as a link to a website that you may use to submit data on how you feel for several days after the vaccine. When the time on your card has passed, you will be free to go. If at any point during this process you need the help of an interpreter, there are Hmong and Spanish bilingual staff on site. If you need help in any other language, an interpreter will be called on the phone to assist. To register for a vaccine, visit vaccinate.wi.gov or call 844-684-1064 or 715-848-4884.